Stick your tongue out. Okay, come right this way. We get some more. This guy's extra friendly right here. Hey, look up. See? Look. Hey. Friends. Hey, bye-bye. Hi, bye-bye. Hello. Hello. Oh, look, they're play fighting. Hello. Hey. Oh, hi. See you later. Pigs love water, don't you? Yeah, don't you? Pigs are all done. Now let's go check our sows. See ya in just a minute. Here are our sows. Here's our exposition sow. Ooh, here's Pearl. There's Iggy. And the old sow. This one's supposed to have babies tomorrow or Wednesday. This one's supposed to have babies tomorrow or Wednesday, but I don't know when these two are supposed to. And that's what life with a pig farm is like.